Imagine this. One day, our own sun will swell up like an angry balloon and swallow Mercury, Venus, and maybe even Earth whole. Sounds like sci-fi horror, right? But it's real science, and it's coming in about 5 billion years. Welcome to the Cosmos in 5. Today, we are talking about the sun's terrifying future as a red giant. So what exactly is a red giant? Right now, our sun is a calm, middle-aged star happily burning hydrogen in its core. But stars don't stay young forever. When the hydrogen fuel in its core starts running low, the sun will begin to change in a big way. The core will shrink and get hotter, while the outer layers will puff outward like a giant balloon. The sun will grow so huge that its surface will cool down and turn reddish orange. That's why we call it a red giant. It will become 100 to 200 times bigger than it is today. If you placed it in our solar system, it would reach all the way to Mars or even beyond. How does this happen? Inside the sun, nuclear fusion is like a constant explosion that pushes outwards against gravity. For billions of years, this balance keeps the sun stable. But when the hydrogen in the core is used up, fusion moves to a shell around the core. The core contracts, heats up even more, and the outer layers expand dramatically. During this phase, the sun will become much brighter and lose a lot of its mass through strong stellar winds. It will look beautiful from far away, but up close, it will be a deadly inferno. What will happen to Earth? This is the scary part. As the sun grows, Earth will face extreme heat. Oceans will boil away. The atmosphere will be stripped off. Our planet might be pulled into the sun's swollen outer layers and completely destroyed. Mercury and Venus are definitely gone. Mars might survive, but it won't be a nice place either. Scientists are still debating exactly how close the sun will get to Earth's current orbit. Some models say Earth might survive by moving outward a little as the sun loses mass. Either way, life as we know it will end long before the red giant phase even begins. If this terrifying future is pulling you in like the sun's gravity, hit that like button before Earth gets roasted. Share this video with your friends who still think the sun is forever, and subscribe with the bell on, or the next cosmic disaster might sneak up on you without warning. Can anything save us? Humans are clever. In 5 billion years, if we are still around, we might have the technology to move Earth to a safer orbit or even leave the solar system entirely. Maybe we will build giant shields or live on moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The future is uncertain, but it's exciting to think about. After the red giant phase, the sun will shed its outer layer in a beautiful planetary nebula, leaving behind a hot, dense core called a white dwarf. That tiny remnant will slowly cool down over trillions of years until it becomes a cold, dark black dwarf. Why does this matter? Understanding the sun's future helps us appreciate how special our time here is. It also reminds us that stars have life cycles just like living things. They are born, they shine, and they eventually die. Our sun's story is part of the bigger story of the universe. So here is a thought to leave you with. If the sun is going to become a red giant and swallow inner planets, what do you think humanity should do to survive? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below, and I will see you in the next episode of the Cosmos in 5. Keep looking up.